Hi everyone, in this video we will be talking about the lines and different relationship between the lines, okay? And here I have a photo of Taj Mahal in India, and this is the perfect building for the lines. So let's start. Let's say we have the first line on the bottom, okay? So we can just draw the first line in here. And this is the horizontal line. Now we can draw a few vertical lines in here. And as you can see, all of them are at 90 degrees, okay? And we can draw a little square in here to mark it. They all at 90 degrees, okay? So we have horizontal and vertical lines, but okay, and now we need to use math symbols to write it down. So let's name this line A, and we can pick this line and name it B. So A is at 90 degrees to B, okay? So this is the symbol, and we say they are perpendicular, okay? So A is perpendicular to B. Okay, now we can draw this line, horizontal line, and we can draw this horizontal line, and we also can draw this horizontal line. As you can see, they never meet. They have exactly the same distance between every single point in here and here and here. So as you know, the lines go and go and go to infinity, and they never meet as we have here. And in maths we use a symbol to mark it. So we have, let's make it C and D. So we have the line C, and this is the symbol if they never meet, and this is D, and it's called parallel lines. Okay, they never meet. They never end up with crossing at any point. Okay. Okay, so we have perpendicular lines exactly at 90 degrees, and if we want to mark it, we use a little square in here. So let's say that's A, then that's B, so A is perpendicular to B. And then when we have parallel lines, they never meet, and if we want to mark it on the lines, we draw arrows X, Y, so X is parallel to Y, okay? And I'll show you how to check it on the worksheets. Here we have few lines, and I would like to show you how to check, how to prove they're perpendicular or parallel. And sometimes when you look at the lines, we can say, oh, they look like they perpendicular and they have a right angle here, or they're parallel and they never meet. But actually in maths we need to prove everything. If we don't prove it, we cannot make a statement, okay? So we need to show and prove they actually perpendicular or parallel, okay? So first of all, we have line A and B in here, and we need to show, or we need to check, are they parallel? So we know they never meet, okay? So they have the same distance, let's say in here and in here. So we need to just check, is the distance the same? We need to pick 2 points, let's say here and here, and we just need to check the distance, okay? And we can use the set square. So let's find the distance in here. We have 21 millimeters, okay? And then let's look in here, what's the distances in here? So actually in here that's 19 millimeters. So actually there's a difference between them. they're not exactly the same, and we need to be really, really accurate, okay? So make sure you look at the ruler, or you look at a set square, and then here we have centimeters, and between them we have 10 millimeters, okay? So actually A and B, they're not parallel at all, because the difference in here and in here, or distance, is not the same. So that means if we keep going, keep going, and keep going, they will meet at some stage. Okay? Great. Then let's look at this line in here, so we can name them C and D. And the same, we need to pick 2 points, let's say in here and in here, not too close to each other, and then let's find what the distance is. Okay, so in here we have exactly 2 centimeters, and in here we have exactly 2 centimeters. That means they will never meet. Okay, so C is parallel to D. Okay, then we have lines in here. We might look at them. Okay, they look like they are perpendicular, but we need to check it. Okay, and to do it we need to use the set square. Okay, and then here we know we have 90 degrees. Okay, if we have 90 degrees in here, we can just put it straight in here. As we can see, this angle is more than 90 degrees. If this angle is more than 90 degrees, they're not perpendicular, okay? Then we can check the other angle, and here. See, this angle is less than 90 degrees, okay? If we name it X and Y, we cannot write down X is perpendicular to Y, okay? They're just random 2 lines and they meet in 1 point. And here, let's say it's T and W, and we need to check. They look like perpendicular lines, but we need to check it. So let's put our set square in here. And that's correct, exactly correct. The first line exactly in here, second line in here, okay? And it's like a cross, and we don't need to check all of the angles. This is perfect as well. If one is 90 degrees, that means every angle is 90 degrees, so we can mark it in here like a small square, and we can write down T is perpendicular to W, okay? So this is the way to check are they actually perpendicular or parallel, okay? And you can draw a few lines for homework and just practice. For summary, you've met 4 keywords for today, and you need to be able to explain them, and you need to know how to draw the lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, vertical, horizontal, what is it, and which symbol we can use. So this is for perpendicular, and this is for parallel. It's like flipped equal sign, okay? So make sure you know all these keywords for tomorrow. So for learning check, what I want to do is I ask you to go out with your iPad, take a photo of a building. It might be your house, it might be a school, a shop, whatever. And if you could do as I did in the first slide, so mark lines, perpendicular lines and parallel lines on this building, on this photo, and you can show it to me tomorrow. So see you.